How are you? I hope all of you are fine at home. I am also fine. Welcome to my English class. Kulsuma Khatun, Assistant Teacher, Haji Munir Hussain Secondary School. My dear students, can you tell what is it? Yes. It is the picture of our Shohid Minar. Thank you. It is a picture of our Shohid Minar. Who can say why it was built? Yes, you are right. It was built to honor and to commemorate the sacrifices of our martyrs of our language movement. Thank you. And it is related to the International Mother Language Day. So our today's lesson is International Mother Language Day. Everybody write down in your notebooks. Our today's lesson is INTER, International, MOTHER, Mother Language Day, LANGUAGE, Language, Language Day. 1. Unit 3 and lesson 3. At first we are going to learn some new words and the pronunciation and their pronunciation and meanings. Everybody listen and write down your notebooks. At first, observe. 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 Everybody speak with me loudly. Observe. Observe. Now next word, tribute. 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 Everybody speak with me loudly. Tribute. Tribute. Now next word is declare. 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 Everybody speak with me loudly. Declare. Declare. Now next word, climax. CLIX. CLIMAX. Climax. Now next word, protest. 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 Thank you. Do you have any problem about the pronunciation of these words? I hope you have no problem. Now we are going to learn next another things. Now we are going to learn the meanings of these words. Observe. Observe means celebrate. Everybody write down it in your notebooks. Celebrate. Observe means celebrate. 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 Next word, tribute. Tribute means an act. 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 An act to show respect. RESPECT. Respect or admiration. 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 Now next word is declare. Declare means Declare means to say something publicly. To say something, write down to say, SOMETHING, something publicly. 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 To say something publicly. The most exciting point in time. The most exciting point in time. TIC, the MOST, most, AXCITING, exciting point, POINT, point in time. Now we are going to next word. Next word is protest. Protest means the expression, EXPRESSION, expression of strong, STRONG, strong disagreement, DISAGREEMENT, disagreement. Now, do you have any problem about the meanings of these words? I hope you have no problem. Thank you all. Now we are going to learn another thing. Now take your textbooks, English for today now, and open at page 36. Lesson 3, Unit 3, Lesson 3, International Mother Language Day. Now I am reading the passage loudly. You have to listen to me very attentively and sincerely. 21st February is a memorable day in our national history. We observe the day every year as International Mother Language Day. The day is a national holiday. On this day, we pay tribute to the martyrs who laid down their lives to establish Bangla as a state language in undivided Pakistan in 1952. The struggle to achieve our language rights is known as the language movement. The seed of the language movement was sown on 21 March 1948 when Muhammad Ali Jinnah, the Governor General of Pakistan, declared in a public meeting in Dhaka that Urdu would be the only state language of Pakistan. The declaration raised a storm of protest in the eastern part of the country. The protest continued non-stop, gathering momentum day by day. It turned into a movement and reached its climax in 1952. The government, the students of Dhaka University defied the law and brought out a peaceful protest procession on 21st February 1952. When the procession reached near Dhaka Medical College, the police opened fire on the students, killing Salam, Barkat, Rafi, Shafiur and Jabbar. As a result, there were mass protests all over the country and the government had to declare Bangla as a state language. This kindled the sparks of independence movement of Bangladesh. I hope you have listened to me attentively. Now you have to read the passage for 5 minutes. Read the passage for 5 minutes. Read. 5 minutes is over. I hope you have finished reading. Next, now we are going to learn section C. In section C, you have to complete a chart. You have to complete a chart. I am showing the chart. Complete it within 5 minutes. Five minutes is over. I hope you have completed this chart. Yet I am telling, in 1947, what happened? In 1947, Pakistan and India became independent. Pakistan and India became independent. Then 1948, in 1948, Muhammad Ali Jinnah declared that Urdu would be the only state language of Pakistan. Next, in 1952, the students of Dhaka University brought out a procession on 21 February. Do you have any problem about this chart? I hope you have no problem about this chart. Thank you. Now you have to match the words with their meanings. I am showing a chart. Now you have to match the words with their meanings. With their meanings. To match the words with the meanings, you will get 5 minutes. 5 minutes is over. I hope you have completed these words. You have matched this. Yet I am telling, listen to me. Tribute, the most exciting point in time. Tribute, the most exciting point in time. Next, climax, an act. Tribute, an act to show respect or admiration. Tribute means an act to show respect or admiration. The next word, climax. Climax means the most exciting point in time. Outlaw, to ban. Defy, to refuse to obey. Next word, provoke. Provoke, to cause or stimulate. Relent, to give in. Momentum, the ability to keep increasing or developing. Momentum, the ability to keep increasing or developing. Thank you all. Do you have any problem about this? I hope you have no problem. Now I will ask you some questions. My question is, why do we observe 21st February as the International Mother Language Day? Who can say why do we observe 21 February as the International Mother Language Day? Yes, you are right. We observe 21 February as the International Mother Language Day to honor and to commemorate the supreme sacrifices of the martyrs of our language movement. Thank you all. Now I am giving you a home task.
What is the time to do?
Write paragraphs paragraph on our mother language day. These are all for today's. May Allah keep you safe and sound. See you again in our next class.